This is our frame pack. It's a single compartment welded bag with a right side zip opening. It has reflective on both sides towards the front of the bag, a cable port at the front, and it uses our fast fix TPU strap system to secure the bag in place. The frame pack comes in 3 different sizes. This is the large, this is the medium, and this is the small. Inside the package you'll find the frame bag, 3 sizes of the narrow strap, and for the medium and the large frame bags, 4 wide straps, and for the small bag, 3 wide straps. To fit the frame bag to the frame, we recommend that you first fix the straps in position on one side and then fit the bag to the bike. Here I've got 3 of the wide straps fixed on the longest point, and at the front I've got the medium length narrow strap fixed just inside the pull tab. Fit the bag into position and then start attaching your straps as so. Like I said, if you need more room because you have a larger tube, you can change the positions that you hook these straps on. The best way to remove these wide straps is to pull over one corner and remove like that.